Hey YouTubers, this is Durson59. Just showing you on my bike project. I decided to do a small video here on what I'm going to do to the bike. So far I've got a checklist of everything that I need done. As you can see up top here. A quick little checklist to see what I need to do, what I've done so far. Just a basic little checklist of everything that I found so far. I'm sure there'll be more that I'll add on to it, but this is a good little thing to get you started. If you end up doing a project, for me, this helps me out. This will help me out with what I need done, what I need to order, what I need to check, just to get it to start to get it roadworthy. Eventually, I will get it roadworthy. It'll be a while yet, but this is just a little list of what I need to do that I can think of right now off the top of my head, and what I've done so far. I'm sure there'll be other things, but I find it very helpful to do something like this, just so I'm able to better use my time on what I'm doing, so I'm not doing the same thing twice. I mean, I ended up getting that gasket for the top end of the motorcycle, and I forgot that I got it, and until I started cleaning some stuff out, I finally found it. So this will help you out from getting that problem, so you don't order anything double or anything like that. Most of the parts I order are from eBay, usually OEM. If not, there is jcwhitney.com and other suppliers, bike suppliers and stuff like that online, where you can find parts, cheaper parts as well. All depends on what you need. So this is the end of the little video, but like I said, it's part of my project that I'm doing, so if you like it, like the video, comment below, as always, and I'll see you again soon.